Just don't take 5 trades within the first 2 minutes. Will do. Will do. Yeah, if I hear you say at 9:41 today is ass, you gotta like. But we got it. All right. Okay. So, I mean, I'm gonna actually try to do some real reading today. I mean, yeah, I feel like it's not crazy to say that we probably want all-time highs here. ES. Could be. Let's see if we're holding over this high on the 15-second. We are. We could probably push right now, at least to a new high. Still holding above, it looks like. Is there a trade to take you back into that? I just took 0.8 off trying to long that volume imbalance. Yeah, I should have. Normally I would have held it, but I was just trying to get the minimum on my funded. That was one contract, but I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna do my regular heuristic. Damn, bro. This is fat. Well, I always do two below 7.5 point stop loss and 1 above that. Yep. No. I just care about highs and lows, to be honest. But for our fair value gap, okay, yeah, I see that. That might be in play. I honestly barely use levels at all anymore. It looks kind of weak at the liquidity sweep though. Like 991, you need to get above that or else we're probably going to push back down into 976 and then maybe lower. Yeah. I think we probably test that again though, considering failure at the highs. This looks like we're gonna sweep in a bigger way. Yeah. There's the bigger sweep. Or the bigger draw from the sweep. I don't know. Bigger push from the sweep. See if the daily gap one's not. Yo. Fuck, I just got signed out of my... That's weird. ES could be attempting the highs again. We're holding the daily there. Does this make sense as a place to hold? You've got something of a sweep, and if you want to continue bullishness, this would probably be the place to do it, at least in the interim. You tested into this overlap mid-range on the prior move up. 15 seconds rolling over a bit. If you can hold again from below here, this might look okay. Looks like you're dying. Got a bit of a gap here if you slip that. This might be a bit of a more aggressive day. Oh yeah, we had fucking CPI, bro. I didn't even notice. Yeah. CPI, the look at the 8:30 candle. Well, I'm just saying I didn't know that we had the news low down there, or the data low. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me focus up. What's the 15-second doing? We are. Looks like we're trying to hold over, reject the high of the daily. You've got overlap at the high of this range that you're rejecting on the 15. Oh fuck! I should have tried shorts there. No, dude. Holy cringe. Bruh. Shorts were free. I was not locked in enough. Okay, now we just see if we hold under these internal lows. 15 seconds doing it for now. Looks like we're gonna try to get a pretty aggressive move here. I just got cooked. Oh my god, I just got cooked. Way too aggressive. Oh, there's no arg for that either. I just really wanted to trade. Yeah, that trade was not a part of my purported strategy whatsoever. Should be waiting for more structure. Come on, bruh. For real? Nah, come on, man. Come on. Okay, I looked at the time and I was like, okay, yeah, this guy's trolling. Oh my god. I just missed my fill by 1 tick, bro. 2 ticks. Alright, I gotta lock in though, because today is readable, but I can't get caught up in some trades that are not signal. At this point, we were just gonna get into that lower daily. I mean, what can I even? What is there even to do internally? Is it just gonna gap? You probably do that until ES at least reaches into that high that can hold you up. So you still got hella space, or not that much space, but a little bit of space. This is definitely a day where you can model, or a moment where you can model ranges a little bit more tightly and take shit that's slightly less premium. What the fuck? Just on account of this being so aggressive. But you still need, I still need fair value reprices and internal momentum to dictate a good entry. If we can get a bit more structure. Just need to see it roll a bit more. I'm really amazed that I didn't get the entry there. I was trying the low end of the fair value gap for like a whole minute, bro. At this point, I disagree. I think you're super aggressive today. If you're specifically holding 915, you'll probably fluctuate a bit, but I'm expecting this to probably just continue dropping off a cliff here, unless you are fully creating the sweep. You had to be ahead of that, I guess. Dude, I'm a monkey. I could have gotten break even off the low end of the fair value gap a couple times and I didn't, even though it pushed like significantly. I'm probably cooked here. We'll see. I just needed to go down a bit more than that. Okay. I'm in from 925, but honestly, that was, I didn't really love that. Unless it wants to test that overlap to high the range and break even me. Yeah. At this point, I mean, I don't know that you are, but I need a bit more structure here. I don't know. I don't know that you're sweeping, but yeah. I want certainty. I want a bit more structure. If you sweep this, you probably test back into 930, 975. You could almost even just long into that because that definitely wants to hold you down if you're gonna. Yeah, there's 930. Okay, straight through that. ES is specifically holding over a prior high. Some shit you haven't swept yet. We have to gauge internal structure here. If you start to roll like right around here around these overlaps, then shorts are probably possible just to fair value reprice into 939. But you could definitely be creating the move into all-time highs here. Like today's a day that's going to be aggressive, so. Nine thirty, 975 probably gets traded back into now. Just show me a bit of rolling internally. Show me that this doesn't want to just pop up and kill me if I try to short. Okay. Yeah. I guess this overlap was enough. You don't need 930, 975. At this point, we probably reprice like immediately into the volume imbalance, the high of the range. At least into this internal low that's right there. Yep. I kind of just want the immediate rebalance intra-candle, but it feels so aggressive. I just feel like, yeah. I just feel like we're going to go to that volume balance to high the range right now. Just the local one at like 976 or whatever. I don't know. This feels so strong, man. There's something about this. Like, do we want to come test the volume balance down here first? I got cooked trying that long. Let's I got too excited. No premium, no fair value reprice, no momentum. It's just a bad trade. Yeah, basically. No. Nah, bro's preying on my downfall. Bro's hella excited. Yo, did you blow it? Did you blow it? No, I'm playing. Yeah, I'm just fucking with you. I don't like that you missed 937 or 939.75, but I feel like you probably continue to like go up here. If you tested 939.75, I would have tried to like get re-entry on the volume balance internally or something. No, at this point, you might be starting to roll over a bit. This should be like way more aggressive than this has been. ES is potentially sweeping. You probably still get 939.75 having missed it. I think that's what makes the most sense here. Yeah, I'm getting touched when I should just be chilling. Like my decisions aren't even consistent with what I'm saying. ES is through all-time highs, I think. Yeah. got a tough break even there on a long. Premiums, fair value, reprice. ES is just soaring. I feel like we get overlap at the high of the range. Even though we could be kind of rolling a bit here. What's going on? I got 976 there, probably break even. Yeah, but I'm gonna get break even. It's definitely a bit aggressive. Nice. This definitely looks interesting. Yo, you're really not gonna fill me on this, bro? Are you fucking for? Come on, don't do me like this. I got 969. Okay, break even. Never mind. Probably should have waited for you to retest 976. That was a good long. It still is, probably. push down into the low and then re-get it. Fail to break the low, potentially. Motherfucker, bro. Okay, whatever. I'm trying not to get caught up in an idea here while we're chopping a bit. There's probably premiums to be quoted, though. Push into the mid-range overlaps. Just do it. I know you want to. No, come on. Get the mid-range overlap, please. Just pop up a little bit. Nah, come on, bro. Don't do me like that. There you go. Okay, I got 966 there. No, long. Appreciate that. That's premium, bro. Okay, this is some shit I'm gonna be up 3R on and get break even on because I think I can hold it all day long. I gotta lock in here on trying to capitalize on this. I think we can get overlap at the high of the range at like 990s, but man, I can't give too much up on this. I really can't afford to do that. No, it isn't. Are we riding this bitch out? We might be riding this bitch out. I don't know. Yeah, I think you're obligated. Just give us the 90s, bro. Come on. It's feasible. It makes sense. It's the reasonable thing to do. This is fucked up, man. This is fucked up. This is just the range where you're gonna chop, but I'm giving up so much to play the exposure. But I got big nuts. I got big fucking nuts. Yeah, ES is soaring. I think we're chilling here. If this just needs to go in like that's where I'm at right now. Or not, bro. If we roll like that, now we're cooked. Wait. Are we chilling? Yeah, probably. But it doesn't look like it's gonna fail. Yeah, agreed. I'm at 979.50. Yeah. We probably, to be honest, we probably get 15. 15. That's a crazy spike though. Shit. Just give me the opportunity to trail around the highs, please. Just try to push one more time. Flip up. Okay, I'm throwing it down there. 992.75 if it wants to hit 992.75 trail. No, man, I'm a bitch. On God, it's gonna go. Today's the day for this to go, man. You're gonna get 15. You're gonna at least get 24.15 for sure. No, you're right. You're right. How could I forget? No, I'm pissed, bro. The read was made, man. Huh? 4.3. I was up 6.2. Yeah, I had a 6-point stop. Good trade. Good trade, guys. Good shit. Good reads. Yes, sir. Man, this is actually gonna do it. Yo, Mistrox, just this. If there was a day, ES is soaring, bro. If there was a day to give some back, it's today. I'm seeing this with a clear head right now. This is What are you trading on right now? What are you trading on? Okay. Okay, fire. Yeah, they're doing discounts for. Okay, I'll shut up. I'll shut up during your backswing. Yeah. Okay. It's because I was talking. That's how it works. Those are honestly the best kinds of trades. Like when you feel like it's gonna reprice to the middle of the range and you just get the premium. Like, yeah, always. You can see it in the VOD. Okay, let me actually think for 2 seconds here. We probably get the volume balance just below us right now. Yeah. Do we also get overlap below the range? Below the local range? ES is starting to roll a bit. You probably get overlap at the low of the range now. Yeah, good stuff, man. Fuck. Okay, there's overlap at the low of the range. More longs right now? Is this what you wanted to? No, I don't know. Does this want to sweep? No, I feel like we need to slip a bit. We need to sweep this. If we hold under 976, yeah, sorry. I like that. It's a good argument. I mean, it would make sense for us to just keep going up if this wants to show us that it's strong here. 976 is the make or break. You've not retested overlap at the low of the range, so you have reason to reprice into it if you can steal an entry inside of this. This might be way too aggressive, but I'm probably trying to short 976, which I'm in right now. Just go back to the overlap. Just do it. Come on, reprice. No, I might be cooked. This might just be long aggressively here. Yeah, I think I'm cooked. Or not? A bit lower, come on. Oh, I should have gone break even off that. I'm fucking stupid. Yeah. I never do it until we actually get the reprice. But if the reprice is too far, sometimes that fucks me. Come on. Okay, fuck it, I'll do it there. 976. Yeah, see, I bet if I'd waited for the low of the range reprice, like the actual one at like 968 or whatever, I'd be chilling. Whatever. Yeah, I mean, I can't be up 1R and just not, you know, at the same time, like. I tried it again right there. Figured with you rolling over there, you'd probably want to get into the overlap finally that we missed. Okay, the most I can make is like 4.8 here or something. Okay, I'm just gonna TP this here. $959.75 trailed. Probably do 60 actually. 960 is my trail. Okay, I'm out at 960 there. It's 2.67. Looks like you want to slip here. At 950, 950 there. Super aggro, probably not very optimal, but Oh, we got break even on one of the contracts. Okay, break even. Good shit. Okay, we've yeah. We have clearance to go up now. We've swept everything. We've tested all the internal shit that was left untested. If we get above 976 and create some range, it's probably start time to quote some. Start bidding the market. This is true. If we start looking bearish, we'll know what to look at. Could be looking a bit rolly here, failing off 976. We might want to reprice into the candle, the last minute, prior minute candle, the overlap that was left there. It's looking kind of heavy. Yeah, there it goes. Just love to get tested. Yeah. If we really fail to break down here, you could probably quote some buys here. But I don't know, it looks kind of sketch. If we fail to push down right now, I might be interested. Can we just test the low again? Yeah, like that. Oh, I'm gonna get tickled on this. Oh, this is way too aggro. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty retarded. The irony is now I think you can actually go up. I don't really see an entry just yet. Well, not if you're rejecting 960.75, that's for sure. Can we get a trade into it? Okay. short 960. Break even. There's no real reprice art for a re-entry for me. Yeah, it's chopping. It's gonna happen. Actually, now you could probably do something interesting. It's just we keep doing this to ourselves. There's we're trading noise. We're trading in a choppy range. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Take it easy. Probably push overlap at the high of the range now. High of the local range. Can we sweep this prior candle? Or just go in a straight line? Yeah, I gotta rein in the losses, man. This is it's an existential threat. Yeah. Good shit. How are you up 6R? How small are your stop losses? It doesn't make sense. No, this is why you're losing 10 trades in a row in the morning, because your stops are too small for the noise. You can't handle the internal variation unless you capture the momentum at the perfect time. But how big are your stop losses? Okay, that's not that bad. That's not that bad. Yeah, 2.5, you're getting into some dangerous territory. 3.75 is probably like as small as I'll go. Okay. That's fucked, man. No. Something's got to change, bro. Something's got to change, bro. I've made 8R today and I've lost 7. Like, how are we doing that? How are we doing this? How are we doing this? This is not, bro. I got here quickly too. Like there was a time when that was the most ridiculous thing on earth. Like, I mean, I'm still up, but no. But like the thing is, I haven't lost like 7 in a row. Like they've been broken up by the wins. Like I'm not like on tilt. I'm just like worried about the manifestation of edge. Not really. No, but I average like 6 losses a day. I just tend to make like 10R a day. Yeah, it's not a loss management problem though. It's a trade quality problem. I'm taking shit that is specifically low signal and not a part of my what could be called like my rigid edge. I don't know, because I'm trading too instinctively, too visually, too intuitively, rather than trying to process things through the framework that I talk about all the time. See, the thing is that is what's happening, but I'm not blowing shit. I'm doing that and I'm still ending each day in profits. So it's like, No, it's I know. I'm not saying I have an issue that's like I just it's like let's go. Let's go. Wait, what'd you say? 971 you said? Nah, you're in a good one here. You're in a good one here, I think. We just gotta hold aggressively off 977. No, you're chilling. You're chilling. You're chilling. No, no, give space, give space. I think you at least get 991. But, you know, grain of salt. But I think we repriced to 991. I think that's local fair value here. We want to at least see if we can break or reject the prior high. ES is soaring through new highs. Yeah. Yeah, man. This guy just got fucking executed in front of his family, bro. That's yeah, man. That's like probably the worst thing I've ever seen in my entire life, to be totally honest with you. Yeah. Yeah, there's you're through 991 there. No, I think it's 1500, 1500. Yeah, 1500 in a day net profit. 7.5 R if you're risking 200. I think you get 2415 to be honest. If you have space for that. Okay. So probably just you should probably just take profit at the high to be honest. From a risk adjusted standpoint, that probably makes the most sense. Okay. But I think you get 2415 to be honest. Are you out? Okay, this pushes here. For sure you get 2415. I mean, you got to hold above. You got to hold above 04 here, yeah. Could be. Yeah, right. No, you're good. You're good. You're good. 2415. 2415. No, seriously though. Yo, get above that high, bro. There you go. Okay. No. Now you're chilling. 1000% you're chilling. I bet my life. I bet my life you get 2415. I bet my life you get 2415. I got I got long there, and I'm long in solidarity with you. If we get above the high, I'll get break even. Oh, I'm gonna get punished with you. I should have longed the prior high rather than the overlap. I would have gotten a freebie. I don't know. Definitely more premium to the local range. Am I gonna get punished? Probably. It's a toss up. It's a no edge toss up. What's an expected value? I don't want that. Yeah. I think I might. Yeah, I might still be alright, to be honest. Just break through the high, bro. Okay. Okay. Nasdaq's a comedian. That's real cute. 15-second overlap or volume bow was all we needed, potentially. Yeah. I was up 1,000 like 5 trades ago and could only make 2 more R. And if I had done that, I'd be chilling right now. So you should probably do that. Is this worth it? No, it's not worth it. I'm just gonna trail. $24.44. Let's go. This was not a positive expected value trade in the long run, in my opinion. But if it wants to give it to me, I'll take it. There's 20. Yeah, there's 24.15. Let's see if I should have just taken that off. Okay, wonderful. Because I think we get 44 in the interim, and then probably all-time highs in the afternoon. I think we're just gonna continue to trickle up after this. Okay. Yeah, bro, the investments are popping off. Damn, I was up 2 on that. About to get break even. Is that range low? Okay, we're gonna roll here. Seems a bit more likely than not. Ah, Saved by the Bell, potentially. Nah, probably not. This is a scale account that I reset. So are you up from 0 on the core, Mr. Ox, or are you almost past? Nice, bro. Yes, sir. Whoa. Yeah. Also, keep in mind they're doing a discount on resets. 25% off resets. That's why I got this one. So if ever, just do that instead of buying a new one. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Or in drawdown. Okay, just get me break even, bro. All right. Wonderful. I probably should have trailed on that. I don't know why I was being so nonchalant. At this point, do we get back into 991? Or is it sufficient to hold over 04? I got in at 04 there, short. Probably gonna get break even the way it's looking. Yep. Okay. No, just that spike. It's funny. Is this just it showing its hand? Do we just want to keep going up? Is it that simple? Pretty much tested into what we need to test into at this point. to be more aggressive here. Do we get overlap with the high of the range in short order? That shit looks so like illiquid now though. This is kind of gross. This is more structure. Okay. Okay, I am done. I'm doing some retarded ass shit. It's not bad, but probably should just waited for 991. Nice. I'm just like specifically doing what I know not to, like what. Yeah, that's very much not worth it. I'll take one more. We're getting some more expansion now. I'll play the game. Yeah, that sounds about right. Holding over that external piece of the move. Probably get back into that overlap. All right, take it easy, bro. All right, 991. Are we getting above that, or what are we doing? I still want longs. Obviously, like specifically if I'm getting a good price for them. Nice, good stuff. See how 991's responding. This looks maybe more conducive to bearishness, TBH. Yeah, I should have tried the short, I guess. At this point, we probably get this volume balance at the low of the range. Yeah, that short was decent. Fuck. Nothing crazy to get into down here other than maybe like the overlap all the way down there, which is kind of nuts. Do we get CPI lows now? That's a bit crazy of a take, but probably not. Do we just do that to test the volume balance? Okay, I can get behind that. Fuck, that would have been alright. ES looks weak though, doesn't it? It's the only reason I don't like this or love this. I don't hate it. All right. Tough shit. I was trying to get some quotes down there. Didn't fall. No, there's no way we fail right here, right? I kind of think we're just going to soar through this prior high, just locally. Just an instinct. I don't know. Even though this looks like you could be creating local range highs here, I just feel like you want to pop right now. It's a nice little overlap. Two of them at the high of that range. Try to get long inside of there, but got break even. At this point, you could be sweeping and I could be wrong. Guess not. ES looks fairly strong. You probably just get back into the high of the range now. I feel like this just needs to reprice into that overlap. We're so close. Yeah. Probably the higher one too. It's probably just straight lines. I took a completely retarded trade at 04, but I am long. Stop break even. Overlap at the high of the range is my target. Break even. Probably just need to see some downside for me to take something that actually makes sense here. I need some sort of range. How long have I been muted for, bro? Yeah, we probably pop into overlap at the high of the range. Got long at 0.550. Felt like that was at least the middle of the local range. Break even. It's definitely a little noisy inside of this local range. Could also probably slip, seeing as this is not really. Yeah, I'm very clearly not respecting my what the fuck I'm supposed to be doing sitting here. So at that point I'm calling it. I am calling it. Ooh, spreadsheet looks bad, man. I mean, I'm only down 2R, but that shit ain't cute, man. I'm not. What the fuck? Like, what are we doing? What are we really doing? All right. Come back stronger. Come back stronger.